Have you ever found an old video that's only 480p and looks blurry to watch? Today, I will see if AI can actually fix that. I'm using Aiarty Video Enhancer version 3.6 to turn this low quality video into 4K, and I will test and show results. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one I want to say interface is very user friendly. We can import videos here and we can work with settings in the right side. We can upload single or multiple videos. We can drag and drop, or let's click this import button and select this video one and open. So this is very low quality video with noises, with blur, and we can see video sizes here. This 480p. Let's go to settings. We can work with hardware, with CPU or graphic card. I will choose CPU and AI models. We have 3 AI models: moDetail version 3, smooth version 3, and superVideo. I will choose moDetail. If you want to watch these AI models, we can click question button and we can read all details here about moDetail, smooth, and superVideo. So next feature, upscale, and now we use 2x upscaling, and here is the sizes, and let's choose this 4K, and here is the sizes, and we can see sizes is updating. And strength, we can control strength here, and step mode, turbo mode, and edit feature. Let's open. We can rotate, flip video, or we can crop, and also force distance, multiple tracks, and other settings. And we can see colors. We can work with colors. Let's open. We can control temperature, tint, and exports, contrast, and other color settings. So next feature, frame interpolation. If you want to make slow motion videos, you can use this interpolation, and we can see interpolation frame rates 120 frame rates like this, and also we can enable slow motion. And next feature, HDR. This is experimental. Let's open. We can enable this HDR effect and AI mods. We have 3 mods here: natural, bright, and graded. And the last feature, audio denoise. If you video with audio, you can enable this feature for remove noises. And the export settings, let's click here, and we can choose video format, MP4 or MOV, and video codec, and audio codec. Also, we can choose here folder and export. We can export current video or batch export. So let's back to video and see results. This is AI model moDetail version 3. And with slider, let's see. Okay, here we go. Result is very better. We can't see any noises and blurs. Let's zoom to see all details. Very nice. And let's zoom out like this for see full screen. Okay, very nice. I love it, this clean and professional upscaling. That's good. And also we can click this button for see preview on real time like this. Okay, perfect. Let's import again video 2 and open. Now I will use AI model smooth version 3 and also upscaling 4K. Okay, first one, let me show video size. Again, 480p. Results is so bad, so poor. And now let's use slider for see results. And boom, here we go. Not any blur, not any noises. Perfect and clean results. Let's again here. And also can see these details. Very nice. Okay, that's very good. Let's see full screen. And this is my original video size, and this is 4K sizes after upscaling 4 times. So first one, let's go to AI model. Before import video, I will choose superVideo, and this AI model for perfect choice lighting and night videos. And let's import video 3. We can see this is night shooting video. We can see noises, blurs, and upscaling. Let's choose 4K. Okay, are you ready? I'm gonna show you result. Let's zoom to little bit, and Here we go. We have so clean scene in the night shot. Let's see difference. Okay, very clean. It's so professional. We can see noises, we can see blur, and here is the sizes. This is 4K again, and my original footage 480K, and the result is perfect. We can see all lighting, all details. Very good. So let's export video. Go to here, click this icon. We can select folder here. This is my main folder, and export video. So guys, for final, let me show official website Aiarty Video Enhancer, and we can see all features, technologies, news about the Aiarty Video Enhancer.